Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have a Subaru Impreza. It has a problem with ABS. Today I'm going to show you how to solve that using my diagnostic machine. The main problem is C0102, which is rear left ABS sensor circuit, open or shorted to battery. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that code. So this is the rear ABS. The first problem is inside the rear ABS we have a lot of dust, so I had to clean the inside the rear ABS. Right now I have cleaned it. So after that I went through ABS and I found out that there was an open circuit of ABS, so I had to join. See, this is how I join ABS. If you are joining any ABS, you need to make sure those joints are tight to prevent damage or disconnected from the joint. This is how I join the ABS. It looks very easy, but it's not easy the way you are seeing here. Some people use soldering gun, which is not bad, but it depends where you are. But in the previous video I told you that no excuses. You need to make sure everything is working perfect, like that. See, now it's strong. Even when I use the multimeter, I think it's okay. So I'm going to install back this ABS sensor first. So after doing that, you need to make sure everything is tight. After that, I had to test by rotating the hub, but it's counting. I think it's okay. Before we do anything, look at the dashboard. There's not any ABS on the dashboard, meaning it's supporting. It's okay. So we are going back to clear the code. I think right now we are done. So the last step is to quick erase, clear code fault memory, then read. Right now everything's working perfect. So let me show you. ABS is reporting. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.